friends, hi, I'm Shirish and today I'm going to talk about the tough times in life. We all have gone through these tough times and some may be going through. And if you are, this is a right video for you. See, tough times is something which actually makes us more sharper and more brighter. And tough times are those times which actually help us understand the facts of life, the facts of people around. It makes us understand why a very good friend has not helped us. It makes us understand who is your good friend, who are your well wishers around. Okay, so how to deal with that, how to deal with these tough times individually is something that I'm going to share today. Okay, but before that, one more thing we need to understand is, see, unless there is complete dark, there is not going to be a dawn. Unless you go to the lowest of low feelings, unless a ball is thrown on the floor with the full force, it will not bounce back. So to bounce back, you have to go with full force and bounce yourself on the floor, go lowest low, and that is the right time to come up again. So talking about the tough times, let us understand first, the tough times are not going to last and nor are the good times. So time is something which is going to pass. Second, this is not the first time that you are facing challenges. You have faced it earlier also, right? And you can definitely overcome it using the right strategy and the right spirit. Third, it is always a learning experience. Whenever you go through tough times, whenever you have times when you are questioned about and anything that makes you feel low, you actually learn a lot out of it. So that is a learning experience. Fourth, it can be a blessing at times. It can be a blessing when you do not get something. You're struggling to get something, and at the end of the maybe the examination, at the end of the process, you don't get it. Probably that may be a blessing for you because you may get something which is more worth, which is more likely made for you. So that can be a blessing. Fifth, just have fun and enjoy. Try to find out fun out of those tough times. This is the most difficult part, to be happy when you are going through tough times. But be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Have fun and enjoy that moment. Enjoy the struggle that you're doing. Okay? And that will really give you the right essence when you succeed. Next is, do not worry. Do not worry about other people's thoughts. See, the thing is, worrying doesn't help, firstly. Secondly, what other people think about you is not your concern, right? So do not worry of what people are thinking about you. You have an aim and just go through it. Just struggle, just extend your limits and do possible things that you can do to achieve it. Next is, see, don't stretch yourself. Don't stretch yourself to the extent that you break up. Okay, so do things that are possible for you. Do things to the extent of your limitation. Know your limits of how long you can go, how much you can stretch yourself. Okay, now you know your strength as an individual. You know what limit you can go to. You know your strengths physically, you know your strengths emotionally, you know your strengths financially also. Okay, so know your outer limits of what trial you're going to do. Know your limits so that you stretch yourself to that limit only. Do not go beyond that to hurt yourself. Okay, because see, bad times are those times when we are always hurt by everybody and anybody around. So don't hurt yourself on your own. Be kind to yourself. Take care of yourself. Everything is possible. Everything in this world is possible. There is nothing that is impossible. Everything is possible provided you provide the right strength, the right spirit, and you do the right thing at right time. Okay, but identifying that right spirit and right time is a very important task. So nothing is impossible. Give it a try. Keep trying with all your strengths. Things that take time to shape up. There are a lot of things in life that take time to shape up. You may be trying hard. You may be trying to extent of your limits, but there is always a right time of a thing to happen. Okay, everything has its own time. For a baby to take its shape and give birth to a baby, it takes 9 months. No matter how much you hurry, what you do, it is not going to happen. The night is going to be there for those 8 to 10 hours. There is going to be dark. No matter what you do, that dark is not going to go unless that time is covered. Okay, so the watch, unless and until the seconds hand, it goes around for 60 seconds. The minute hand is not going to go for 1 minute. So the time has value. Give time to shape up. Everything takes time. So give possible time to the possible things that you want to do. And out of all that has happened, there is always something that you can be thankful for. See, in life, when you are through your struggles, when you actually achieve, when you are at a right time, at a right phase, and you have achieved everything out of those tough times, and you look back, you will definitely be thankful for something that has happened to you. You will definitely be thankful for those friends who have not helped you. You will definitely be thankful to those people who you thought were your well-wishers but were not. Okay, so rather than concentrating on the crowd around you, people around you, and conditions around you, concentrate on your own self, your mind, your strengths, your weaknesses. Work out on your weaknesses. Take time to think. Give any process needs its standard time. Give it that time. And no matter how the tough time, how bad it affects you, it is going to pass. So, not to worry, guys. Take your own time. Let the tough time be tough on you. Let it take your lot of patience and exam. But no issues. This time is going to pass and you are going to come out of it. All the best.